Have you heard the news? Google has unveiled an AI system that's already discovering real working treatments for some of our most challenging diseases. This isn't science fiction or some far-off dream. It's happening right now. Google's new AI CoScientist has already developed legitimate cancer drugs that have been verified in real-life tests. It's created treatments for liver disease that actually work. It's even made independent discoveries about antibiotic resistance. These aren't theoretical results, they're breakthroughs proven in laboratory settings. Today, we're diving into what AI CoScientist is, how it works, and the incredible achievements it's already making. Don't worry if you don't have a science background. I'll explain everything in simple terms that anyone can understand. What is AI CoScientist? Google recently released this system called AI CoScientist, a multi-agent AI system built with Gemini 2, their most advanced AI model to date. The system acts as a virtual scientific collaborator to help scientists generate novel hypotheses and research proposals, accelerating the pace of scientific and biomedical discoveries. As the name suggests, AI CoScientist is designed to augment and collaborate with human scientists, not replace them. Think of it as an incredibly intelligent assistant that helps researchers come up with new ideas and solutions to complex scientific problems. Breakthrough 1. Cancer treatment discovery. Let's look at some of the remarkable breakthroughs this AI has already achieved. Imagine AI CoScientist as a sophisticated chatbot assistant. A scientist prompts it with a question like, "Suggest an existing drug that could treat leukemia." The AI then goes through a rigorous process involving multiple specialized agents working together to generate candidates. Here's where it gets truly impressive. Human scientists took these AI-generated suggestions and tested them in real life. The results showed that as they increased the concentrations of these drugs, leukemia cell activity decreased. This means the new drugs proposed by AI CoScientist actually work to inhibit cancer activity in real-world testing. Think about what this means. We now have an AI that can suggest potentially effective cancer treatments. The system proposed several candidates for treating leukemia, and subsequent experiments validated these proposals, confirming that the suggested drugs inhibit tumor viability at clinically relevant concentrations. Breakthrough 2. Liver disease treatment. In another example, researchers asked AI CoScientist to identify novel epigenetic targets for liver fibrosis, essentially asking it to find new ways to treat scarring of the liver. This is crucial research because liver fibrosis is a severe condition that can progress to liver failure and even liver cancer. After the AI identified potential targets, scientists tested them in the lab. The results clearly showed that all 4 drugs suggested by AI CoScientist work to reduce liver fibrosis in human liver organoids. Not mouse livers or computer simulations, actual human liver tissue. This is revolutionary. We now have an AI system that can generate legitimate drug candidates for serious conditions when prompted. And these candidates actually work when tested on human tissues. Breakthrough 3. Antibiotic resistance discovery. Perhaps the most impressive finding involves antibiotic resistance, one of the most significant global health concerns today. Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria evolve to withstand the drugs we use to kill them. As bacteria develop resistance, our treatments become less effective, potentially returning us to an era where common infections could be deadly. Scientists have been studying special genetic elements called CFPIs that can move between bacterial species and carry genes for antibiotic resistance. Understanding how these elements work is crucial for fighting infectious diseases. Researchers have been investigating this question since 2013. In 2015, they specifically asked why CFPIs are found in so many bacterial species. After approximately 10 years of research, human scientists finally came up with some strong evidence explaining their role and importance. Here's the amazing part. When researchers posed the same question to AI CoScientist, it reached the same conclusion in just 2 days. The AI had no access to this unpublished data, but independently arrived at the same groundbreaking hypothesis by analyzing existing scientific knowledge. What took humans a decade took the AI just 48 hours. Why scientists need AI assistance. To understand why AI CoScientist is so valuable, let's consider the challenges scientists face when developing new ideas. The sheer volume of information is overwhelming. If you search for leukemia in Google Scholar, you'll find over 2.6 million results in the scientific literature. How can any human possibly read through all these papers, synthesize the key findings, and then formulate new ideas that build on existing knowledge but haven't been tried yet? It's an incredibly daunting task. Existing AI tools like OpenAI's Deep Research can help synthesize information by autonomously scraping the web and compiling relevant data into technical reports. However, these tools typically just summarize existing information. They don't identify knowledge gaps or generate original ideas. Google's AI CoScientist goes beyond summarization. It's designed to uncover new knowledge and formulate novel research hypotheses based on prior evidence but tailored to specific research objectives. It can suggest entirely new approaches to solving problems. Additionally, many modern scientific breakthroughs come from combining knowledge across different disciplines. A microbiologist might be an expert in their field, but have limited knowledge of quantum physics or ecology. Scientists are often constrained by their specialized knowledge, making it difficult to think of cross-disciplinary approaches, even though these approaches often lead to the most significant breakthroughs. How AI CoScientist works. AI CoScientist operates as a team of specialized AI agents working together. When a scientist submits a natural language prompt like, "Find me a cure for liver disease," the system activates several specialized components. 1. Generation Agent. Explores scientific literature and generates new hypotheses and ideas. 2. Reflection. Agent thinks critically about each idea, conducts literature reviews, and performs deep verification to evaluate the generated ideas. 3. Ranking Agent ranks ideas based on quality and probability, providing feedback to the generation agent about which ideas to improve or discard. 4. Evolution. Agent continuously refines top-ranked hypotheses, simplifies concepts for clarity, and incorporates additional data from literature. 5. Proximity Check. Agent creates a proximity graph clustering similar ideas to avoid duplication, ensuring all new ideas are distinct and not redundant. 6. Meta Review. Agent identifies patterns in the data to enhance the quality of generated ideas. This entire system improves iteratively through self-improving feedback loops. With each round, it generates better ideas until it produces high-quality outputs. The system also uses web search and specialized AI models to ensure its research hypotheses are grounded in reality and not fabricated. Human scientists can interact with AI CoScientists through a chat interface, providing feedback at every step and suggesting new directions for exploration. The power of AI thinking. What makes AI CoScientist especially powerful is its ability to scale with computing power. Unlike previous AI models that immediately produce answers, this system belongs to a new family of thinking models that take time to reason through problems before offering solutions. The more compute resources and time you give it to think, the better its answers become. Google's research shows that its performance far exceeds both their latest Gemini models and even human experts in scientific discovery. The system produces ideas with higher novelty and potential impact than other leading AI models from both Google and OpenAI. Looking to the future, we're witnessing a transformative moment in scientific research. We now have an AI that can help generate new treatments for cancer, liver disease, and potentially countless other conditions, with these ideas already validated in real-life testing. The implications are profound. In the next 5 years, we might see unprecedented breakthroughs in treating or even curing cancer, diabetes, dementia, and advancing our understanding of longevity. AI CoScientist isn't replacing human researchers, it's amplifying their capabilities, helping them navigate vast amounts of information, generating novel ideas, and accelerating the pace of discovery. It's giving us a glimpse of a future where AI and human intelligence work together to solve our most challenging scientific problems. The age of AI-assisted scientific discovery isn't coming, it's already here. And the results are nothing short of remarkable.